Hello everyone, I am Dr. Archana Gupta from Computer Department of KJ Samaya College of Engineering, Vidya Vihar. In this video, I will give you a brief introduction about the different minor and honors degree programs that are available for the computer engineering students so that you can decide upon opting for any of the minor and or honors degree program. So in this video, I will just brief you about the different programs and I will guide you how to get the information or how to get the introduction about the different programs on the Somaya website. In SVU, in the academic flexibility, we are providing the flexibility to the students. So you can, along with your major degree program, you can opt for any of the minor degree program or honors degree program. Minors and honors degree programs are available for the students under SPU because of the academic flexibility. In these programs, you have to earn 20 additional credits, and that credits you have to earn in 3 years of your major degree program. So all the courses of a program are distributed in the 3 years of your major degree program. The In the minor degree program, you can acquire interdisciplinary skills with minor, and in the honor degree program, you can get the deep dive in your discipline with honors. For the minor degree programs, selection will be based on the eligibility specified by the Board of Studies of the major of the student, academic background, and availability of seats in minor program. Similarly, for the honors degree program, selection will be based on the academic background and availability of seats in the honor program. As I told you, enrollment in any one minor or honors program is possible. You cannot enroll for minor and honor degree program both. Under this program, you have to acquire additional 20 credits that will spread over 3 years of your major degree program. A minor or honors degree will be awarded at the same time of your bachelor's degree. So when you will be awarded with your bachelor's degree or major degree, at the same time you will get your minor or honors degree. For the computer engineering students, these are the 4 honors degree programs available: data science and analytics, cyber security and forensics, software project management, and geospatial computing. So these are the 4 honor degree programs that are offered to computer engineering students. Now I will show you how to get the introduction to these programs on Somaya website. For that, you need to go to kjsc.somaya.edu. On that website, you will be able to see the tab programs. Under programs, you can see bachelor's. In bachelor's, there computer engineering is there. Under computer engineering tab, all the 4 honors degree programs are mentioned. You can click on any of the program there to get the introduction about the program. After clicking on the program, this page will get open. There you can see brief introduction about the program, objectives of the program, learning outcome of the program, eligibility criteria, assessment methods. In the right hand side, you can see list of courses that are there in the program. You can go back, go to programs, bachelor's. Under computer engineering, all the 4 honor programs are listed. So you can click on any of the program for which you are seeking more information. Now come to minor degree programs. So these are the 12 minor degree programs that are offered to computer engineering students. Here you can see all the program title along with the different offering departments. Now I will show you how to get more information about any of the minor degree program on the website. So first of all, you need to go to kjsc.somaiya.edu. Here you have to go to Programs tab. Under this Programs tab, you can see minors over there. Under this minors tab, all the minors degree programs offered by KJSC, offered by KJ Somaiya College of Engineering are listed. Now, you already know about the different programs that are offered or that are available for computer engineering student. Now, you can click on any of the program in which you are interested. Now, this page will get open where you can get the brief introduction about the program, objectives of the program, learning outcome of the program, assessment method, eligibility criteria, and list of courses. So in the same manner, you can get the introduction of the different minor degree programs as well as different honor degree programs. I hope this video will help you in getting the brief introduction about the minors and the honors degree programs. Thank you.